Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.in and today let's do the benchmark and gaming review test of the Mobiistar X1 Notch smartphone. We'll be going through the specification, quad-core processor, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage and notch screen and a 3020 mAh of battery. This phone comes with a quad-core MediaTek processor, 32GB of storage and 3GB of RAM. CPU app, you can see it's written, the processor is clocked at 2 GHz speed, then it's written 5.7 inch 720p display, and then it's having 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. We have Android 8.1.0, battery of 3020 mAh, and we have few sensors. And to the benchmark on this smartphone, and we got a score of 65,580 points, which is a decent enough score for a budget smartphone. The gaming session, let's start with the Asphalt Nitro. Can this volume output via the speaker is good enough? Volume is full. All the graphic quality also looks good enough too. Now let's check out a simple game, Subway Surfers. As this smartphone is a low-end smartphone, the lower-end games play pretty smoothly on this smartphone. All games play pretty well on this smartphone, but overall, lower games play pretty smoothly without any hiccups or any stuttering. So the next game on our list is the Mortal Kombat X, and this is a pretty graphic-intensive game. You can see this heavy game also plays well enough on this smartphone, and the graphic also looks pretty good. So the gameplay is pretty decent here on the heavy end games. On our list is Dead Trigger 2. So this is also a graphic intensive game. You can see this game also looks pretty good on the smartphone. So overall, you can expect decent gameplay on the smartphone. As a low budget smartphone, this will do. The game close to 10 minutes. We have the battery temperature as 31 degrees Celsius and the CPU temperature as 30 degrees Celsius. That was a quick video on the benchmark and the gaming review video of the Mobiistar X1 Notch. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Trendy Blog. Also check out our website, which is www.trendyblog.in for more such cool reviews. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.